Okay, so this is a pentagonal pyramid. So we're going to find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of this pyramid. So let's see how many sides this pyramid has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided pyramid, so it's called a pentagonal pyramid. All right, I'm going to remind you that if it has 5 sides on the base, this is the base, all the way around, all these walls are triangles. So we're going to go ahead and draw the net. So I already know that they are going to all have triangles because every pyramid, all the lateral faces of a pyramid are triangles. And there's 5 of them because there's 5 sides on the pentagon. So there's 5 triangles. All right, so I want to find the lateral surface area. So if I want to find the lateral surface area, then I'm going to find the area of one of these triangles, and they're all going to be the same because remember this was a regular polygon, so they're all the same. So see how this is 16 millimeters? So then this is 16 millimeters. We just pick one. So I'm gonna pick this one. And here is the the slant height is 20 millimeters. So I'm gonna draw it on here, 20 millimeters. All right. So remember the height of the whole pyramid is 18.3. So that's 18.3 millimeters. That's the height, 18.3 millimeters of the whole pyramid. But I'm not too concerned about the height of the whole pyramid. I want to find the lateral surface area. So I'm just concerned about each of the pieces. So I want the height of this lateral face. So the height of this lateral face is 20 millimeters and the width is 16 millimeters. So it's a triangle. So I have to do 16 times 20. So I'm going to write it right here. 16 times 20. Divided by 2. Because to find the area of a triangle, you divide by 2. So go ahead and do the 16 times 20. Divided by 2. Well, that's 160. So 160 millimeters is the area of one of these triangles. How many triangles do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I have a 5-sided figure, I have 5 triangles. So I have to multiply this by 5. So what's 160 multiplied by 5? 800. So this is a total of 800 millimeters squared. That is the lateral surface area, is 800 millimeters squared. So all I did was I found the area of one of these triangles, which is 16 times 20 divided by 2. So 16 times 20 divided by 2. 16 times 20 divided by 2. That gave me 160 millimeters squared. That's the area of one triangle, right, of this one here. But I have 5 of them. So I have to multiply that times 5. And when I multiplied 160 millimeters squared times 5, I came up with 800 millimeters squared. So that is the lateral surface area. That's the area of every single side, lateral side, not the base. Okay, so now if I want to find the total surface area, that is going to be all of the sides, which is 800, plus the area of the base. So let's see what kind of shape the base is. Well, the base is a pentagon. I remember there was a whole formula we did with that, but it already tells me that the area of the base is 440.4. So that is so nice. Millimeters. This is millimeters squared, sorry. Plus 440.4 millimeters squared. So you add that together. So 800 plus 440.4 millimeters squared. Go ahead and use your calculator. What would you get? Or your mental math, right? Good. 1,240.4 millimeters squared. That would be your total surface area. All right, we're going to do another one real quick right here. So we're going to do this umbrella. So it says you are making an umbrella that is shaped like a regular octagonal pyramid. Okay, it says estimate the amount of fabric you need to make this umbrella. So we're going to find the surface area of this. We don't have to find a total because we don't need the bottom. Total would be if we wanted to find all of the sides and the bottom base. But on an umbrella, does an umbrella have a bottom base? No, it does not. So we just want to find the lateral. That's one reason you would want to just find the lateral surface area. So to find the lateral surface area, I only have to find the area of one triangle because they're all going to be the same. It says it's a regular octagonal pyramid. So I'm going to have to find the area of one triangle and then multiply it by how many sides is an octagonal pyramid? 8. So times 8. So I need to find this here. Since it's a regular, if this is 4, so this is going to be 4 feet. So my formula is going to be 4 feet times base times height, right? 5 feet divided by 2. So go ahead and do that. 4 times 5 divided by 2. What is that? Good. You should have gotten 20 divided by 2. You should have gotten 10 feet squared is my lateral surface area of 1. So now I have to multiply it by how many triangles do you have? I could do if I wanted just to make the green, but it doesn't ask me that. It wants all of it together. So I'm going to multiply this times octagon. So that's 8. So times 8. So I need 80 square feet of fabric to make this umbrella. I do not need to find the total because I don't need the bottom of an umbrella. I don't need that. All right, I'm going to hold this question up to you right here. If you can do this one and submit it online to me, you can get extra credit. It says you are building a bike ramp that is shaped like a square pyramid. You need 2 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of plywood. How much plywood do you have left over? So first find how much plywood you're going to need, because you don't need 2. So find out how much you're going to need. Find the area of each triangle. You don't need a base because you don't need the bottom part. You don't need to put plywood on the bottom. You just need these little triangles there. All right, you can submit that online to me. All right, go to Canvas and work on your assignment. Bye, guys.